name is Samantha Cawood. I'm with AE Electrical Solutions. I'm currently working at the Capitol doing more electrical work. It allows me just to further myself. The reason I had initially started this was it was just something different, and it had been offered to me by a high school teacher. Just pushed me more into that direction, and I had eventually just stuck with it.
In an effort to improve the quality of the training, we brought AE Technical Center in-house in 2020 to give kids an opportunity to get some quality hands-on training.
One of the main reasons I feel that we started our own in-house state-accredited apprenticeship program is to keep our skill level and experience where it needs to be to continue the growth and continue to train new apprentices along the way. And it also gives kids coming out of high school an opportunity. If they don't know what they want to do, they can come work, get in the apprenticeship program. They get paid while they're working. The school is free, and it's just a great opportunity.
Even starting out, you get paid while you do it. You have a full-time job while you're doing it. Just truly a future that you should buy into. I mean, really all you're doing is helping yourself be more successful.